They offer a virtual I am going to leave a link for their backside. They have full in helping me. They also give me 2 discount codes codes. Hey guys, I hope you are all doing well. In this video I am going to review one of GOOGOOHAIR's hair extensions, which is 100% human hair. I heard great things about this brand, so I was really glad when they reached out to me and they offered to send one of their hair extensions for me to try. They helped me to find the right color for my hair. All I had to do was send a picture of my hair, which I had to take in natural light. So I already have nano clip-in hair extensions in my hair, but I only have 80 strands. My hair is much longer, but it's just not a lot, and it also doesn't have a lot of volume, so that is why I wanted to try out these hair extensions. So they let me pick one of their products, and I was actually really excited because if I go out somewhere special for like a special celebration or occasion, this is something I would use to have like a really nice hairstyle. So a little bit about this brand. They are called GOOGOOHAIR extensions. I'm not 100% sure that's how you pronounce it. It might be GOGO. They have really good quality, 100% human hair extensions. And they have loads of different types of hair extensions. So they have a website you can order from, and you can also buy their products from Amazon. They offer a color match service, or you can order a color sample from them to actually see in real life what the quality of the hair extension is and match the color to your own hair. So a little bit about this hair extension. This is 100% human Remy hair, 120 gram clip-in hair extension. It is a 7-piece set. The name of the color of this hair extension is light blonde highlights, and this is a 22-inch hair extension. It comes in multiple lengths and shades. They have loads of different hair extensions and products on their website. They have tape-in, clip-in hair extensions, wedding hair extensions. So they also gave me 2 discount codes, which I'm going to share with you guys at the end of the video, and I'm also going to leave it in the description box. So let's open the product and see the quality of it. So this is the package it came in. I'm so bad at opening stuff. Okay, finally. It's really small. I also got this black hair clip. I just cannot wait to feel the hair extension and see the quality of it. I am going to compare it to my hair extension. I hope it's going to be just as good. I got some extra clips in here just in case. That just feels amazing. I want to see how it's going to blend in. I love touching it. It's so soft and gorgeous. I love the color as well. It's a mix of colors. So I am going to start with this bigger piece. Hair actually looks so cute like this. I'm going to clip it in right in the middle. I actually don't see much difference in the color, but my hair is super straight. I just straightened it today, and these extensions are a little bit more wavy, not much, just at the bottom. So I might have to change my hairstyle a little bit. I have 2 that are the same size, so I think I'm going to put one on this side and one on the other. It feel like what we are never fade out. I let it ride when I usually. That blends in so nicely. Look at that shine. I absolutely love it. I am actually pleasantly surprised with the quality of these extensions. I expected them to be good, but not this much. Like, I love it. So I have 2 more with 2 of these clips, and I also have 2 more with 1 clips each, which I really like. They're so easy to put in. So I think I'm going to put these ones in just because I already have hair extensions and I feel like it already gave me like a lot of volume, which is what I was looking for. I am in love with these extensions, honestly. You see that I'm still the same, real one. I'ma never change my way as long as I'm hitting it right. I feel like I have so much hair. I am loving this feeling. Long hair just really gets me excited. It just feels like the best. I could not ask for more from a hair extension. I feel like it blends in so nicely, the color and everything. On camera I see a little bit of difference in the color, but honestly in person I cannot tell the difference between the two hair extensions and my hair. And the good thing about these extensions is that you can straighten them, you can curl them, you can even change the color. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. So this is the length of the hair extensions, and I didn't even use all of them. I still have 2 more left. I just felt like this is the perfect amount for my hair. I am obsessed with these extensions. It just feels amazing. So put that on me for my baby, cause I always see you know I impressed for free. I am super happy with this product. Only took me a few minutes to clip in the hair extensions, and it was super easy as well to put them on. And I'm also really happy with the color. I think it's a really nice blend of ashy blonde and light blonde colors. It was really nice to get some help from them finding the correct shade for my hair. I know I said it like 100 times, but I am so happy with the quality as well. It just feels amazing. I mean, look at that shine. It's just gorgeous. It just looks like super healthy hair, and it doesn't look fake at all because it's not, it's human hair extension. So that is it for today's video. If you guys are looking for human hair extensions, I can only recommend this brand. I am going to leave a link for their website and their Instagram in my description box, and I'm also going to leave 2 discount codes if you guys want to buy any of their products. Once again, a big thank you to GOOGOOHAIR for sending me these extensions. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.